Wow. Oh my goodness, guys, I completely forgot to mention, I'm gonna do a giveaway where I'm gonna give one of these new round brushes away to one of you guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For anyone new here, my name is Alana and I'm just struggling to contain my excitement because today is a very exciting day because this little bad boy has arrived on my doorstep, and that is the new Dyson Airwrap round brush. I am just, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this to come out for the past few months. Whenever I ordered it, I had to wait ages for it to arrive, and so many people were getting theirs, and I had so many of you messaging me and commenting saying, when are you gonna review this, Alana? We really, really wanna see your review on it. So thank you so much to everyone who reached out and said that. Honestly, it just means so much that you really value my opinion on the Dyson Airwrap, on their attachments, and just all things hair. Really, I just appreciate it so much, so thank you. Let's unbox this little bad boy. So I'm sure you figured in today's video we're gonna do a Dyson Airwrap bouncy blow dry. We are gonna test this out to see is it worth investing in or whether you just stick to your OG round brush attachment. Okay, so here we go. The moment I have been waiting for. Ta-da! Look, it just looks so new and so glorious. I mean, compared to, I'm actually embarrassed to show you my round brush right now, okay? Right, but we need to compare for size, okay? This is the new large round brush. This is the original that is disgustingly dirty. I'm so sorry, I do apologize. Don't ever let your attachments get this dirty, okay? I need to tell no for that. But anyway, this is the size difference. So I'm not sure whether you can see it very clearly here, but I would definitely say that the new round brush is at least twice the size of the original round brush. Even if you just look at the circumference at the top of it, yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. That is a big jump up, and it just makes it all the more special that this looks so brand spanking new, and that just looks disgusting. Okay, right. But guys, before we get into this bouncy blow dry, we need to pre-style and prep the hair ready for the bouncy blow dry. First things first, I'm actually gonna add some Redken acidic bonding concentrated leave-in treatment. So Redken actually sent me this last year. This is not sponsored, by the way. They sent me this stuff as PR last year, and I've only recently got around to using it because I had so many products that I needed to get through because I like testing products. And guys, there's so many products that I test that I do not show you because if I do not like a product, I do not show it over here on my channel. I only show products that I genuinely like. And this Redken set, I've got the shampoo and conditioner, and I'm actually really, really enjoying it. So I'm just gonna run that through my hair. The next thing I'm gonna add is actually the L'Oreal Blow Dry Cream. This reminds me of back in the day, you know, whenever I first started my YouTube channels, I used to use this, and I haven't used it in so long, but I've definitely put way too much of that on my hands, but I'm just gonna run a bit of this through my hair. This just really helps with volume whenever you're creating a bouncy blow dry, and it also smells insane. That smells so good. Okay, the last thing I am actually gonna add for pre-styling is this Keanu Root Volumizer. I've mentioned this before my channel. It's almost always out of stock. I will link it in the description. I'm so sorry if it's out of stock. Unfortunately, I don't own the company. I can't control the stock levels, but this stuff is really hard to get your hands on, but it is so, so good. So I'm just gonna spray some of this at the root, and then you just rub it in. And this is just, oh dear, I've sprayed a lot of that on my head. And this just really helps with volume. And that is it for pre-styling. Okay, now we are gonna blast our hair. You're gonna put on your hairdryer attachment, your Dyson Airwrap, high heat, high speed. I'm gonna blast and dry my hair till it's probably about 70% dry. And then we're gonna go in with the new round brush. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, that is the hair about 70% dry. I'm just gonna give my hair a wee bit of a brush before I get started. Also guys, just on a little separate note, I am actually getting my hair done next week. I don't know whether any of you watched my video where I spoke about how I was like getting my hair back to good health, and I basically haven't had it dyed. I haven't been to the hairdressers now in a year. Next week it will have been a year, and I'm gonna go get it done. So would you guys be interested in seeing like me vlog that so you can see what I get done? Let me know in the comment section. I'd like to know if that's something you'd like to see, because if it is, I'll vlog it. Okay, so I'm gonna spray some heat defense on my hair. Oh my goodness guys, I completely forgot to mention, I'm gonna do a giveaway where I'm gonna give one of these new round brushes away to one of you guys. Now it hasn't arrived yet, so I can't set a deadline for the giveaway. All I can say is whenever it arrives, I will put on my Instagram the closing date for the giveaway. But in order to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is hit subscribe on my channel and comment under this video what is your favorite attachment with the Dyson Airwrap. Then whenever the round brush arrives, I will pick someone at random. I will probably do it live over my Instagram so you guys can see it. And one of you lucky people will get one of these new attachments. And anyone that is enrolled in my Dyson Airwrap course, you do not need to enter. You are automatically already entered into the giveaway, and you will also get 2 entries per person. So if you're enrolled in my Dyson Airwrap course, you don't need to worry about entering. You've already got 2 entries already in there. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So excited. Okay, let's go. Wow. I don't even know how to describe how good that feels. That like, it's so big. You can take such a big section of hair. And it just glides through my hair. Oh wow, that is sensational, that feeling. Oh my goodness. Wrap it round, pull it out. Wrap it round and pull it out. Okay, so guys, once it's all smoothed out, you want to roll your round brush, hold on a high heat for 10 seconds, and then you're going to hold on a cold shot for 10 seconds. Oh wow, look at that beautiful big bounce. Guys, look at that. That is just such a gorgeous, oh, I just love it. Okay, so guys, at this point, you just want to work through all the different sections of your hair, and then I'm going to show you what I do once I get to the top section, because that is always the most important. Okay, guys, so we are on the top section of hair. Okay, and for maximum volume, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bit on each side, and I'm gonna blow dry it together, and I'm gonna blow dry it up and away. And this absolutely annihilates your arms doing this, but it's worth it for the volume. Okay, let's go. I mean, just look at that volume. That is just, okay. Again, just look at that volume, guys. Okay, guys. I mean, guys, just look at that volume. That is the finished look. What do we think? Okay, so now I'm just gonna talk a little bit about my thoughts on the large round brush compared to the original. Okay, first of all, this definitely saves more time because you can take more hair with it. Although I will say it's a little bit harder to get into like these little like inside bits. Like I find those quite easy to get into and smooth with the smaller one. So I feel like there's definitely room for both of these in your Dyson Airwrap kit. This just really glides through your hair. I feel like I've seen a few people say that like their hair catches on the round brush. First of all, I'd say to that, maybe you just need to work on your technique because you might not be using it correctly. So just maybe even film yourself whilst you're doing it and look back, and it might actually help you realize maybe what you're doing wrong. But secondly, I feel like there just really isn't much room for people's hair to catch in this. It seems to glide through my hair a lot easier than the original round brush. But I'd be interested to know what you guys think. If you have tried the new round brush, what's your thoughts on it? So yeah, it's definitely worth, I think, investing in. I think it was only, was it 30 or 35 quid, which I don't think is super expensive. And like I said, I definitely feel like there's a place in your Dyson Airwrap kit for this smaller round brush and the bigger round brush. Guys, once you finish watching this video, the first thing you have to do is go comment on this video what is your favorite Dyson Airwrap attachment, and make sure you hit subscribe to my channel to be in with the chance to win the new large round brush attachment for the Dyson Airwrap. If you head over and give me a follow on Instagram, I will keep you updated on the closing date of that, because like I said, I haven't received it yet in the post. Once I do, then I'll be able to tell you when the closing date is going to be. If I receive it before Christmas, I will close it before Christmas so you can get it before Christmas. Also, if you feel like you really still haven't nailed your Dyson Airwrap, I do have my Dyson Airwrap course that's already helped hundreds of people master the Dyson Airwrap. So if you're interested in that, I will have a link in the description for you to sign up to that. So I think that's everything. I will have all the products that I used in this video linked in the description, and make sure you hit subscribe and make sure you hit the like button to support this channel, and I will see you next time.